congratulations to Julina De La Cruz right now with Ayana Perlas.
Thank you so much, Eric and Eliza. Hello, Julina. So, of course, congratulations on the win. So, sa last game, alam natin na Coach Ramil told you to step up. So, anong preparation ang ginawa mo to step up and stay motivated in today's game?
Siguro po yung motivation ko sa training pa lang. Parang sinasabi ni Coach Ramil nga na parang magtiwala ka lang lagi sa sarili mo. Nilagay ka niyan dyan sa pwesto na yan kasi parang may mission ka. Yun, so parang iniisip ko lagi na kailangan kong i-help yung mga ate to get yung mga panalo namin.
Okay, so sa second set at sa last set, parang still yung Adamson, they were able to catch up. So anong ginawa ng team to stay composed and to stay focused to get the win?
Siguro po hindi po kami hindi kami nagpakumpiyansa agad na parang ginawa pa rin namin yung parang iniisip namin yung second set na yun, first set pa rin, and yung third set, first set pa rin yun para makuha pa namin lahat yan.
Okay, thank you so much, Julina. Eric and Eliza, do you have any more questions for Julina?
Yeah, Ayana, thank you. Congratulations, Julina.
Thank you.
Well, you mentioned earlier, may kumpiyansa sa'yo si Coach Ramil, but as a rookie, how are you handling all this pressure? I mean, earlier, Ayana reported that Coach talked to you and to Tin Tiamzon that you have to be more productive. I mean, so much pressure at such a young age. How are you coping with this? How are you handling this? What do you do?
Yung pressure po kasi laging nandyan lang po yan eh. Pero siguro kailangan lagi kang marunong mag-compose ng sarili mo. Lalo na kapag crucial game. Dapat stay focused ka lang lagi.
Ako may question din ako, Julina. Congratulations. So, as a rookie din, grabe yung ate. Pero as a rookie din, Julina, ano ba yung mga things na gusto mo pang i-improve, lalong-lalo na papalapit na, and hopefully, makapasok kayo sa Final Four?
Ano po, siguro po yung namin, kung saan po kami parang nagkukulang pa. Doon po kami laging pinopokus ni Coach kung saan yung kulang namin.
So, secret muna kung saan nagkukulang yung para sa Final Four, siguro, Eric.
That's right. Well, Julina, would you like to greet anybody?
Hi! Binabati ko po yung De La Cruz family, yung family ko sa HFA, sa ADSL, and yung box. Hello, Lodge. Pagaling na si Tita, pakisabi. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
To watch the latest UAAP Season 81 games, just click the I button and don't forget to subscribe.